Let's talk about another amazing technology known as the Internet of Things, or simply IoT. As we discussed sensors in previous topic, it plays major role in IoT operations. Before we know it in detail, imagine you are running a fleet of delivery trucks carrying fresh milk across a city. Every hour matters because if the milk spoils, you face customer complaints and big financial losses. Traditionally, you would rely on drivers to manually check temperature or update delivery status. But what if each truck had smart devices that continuously monitor temperature, fuel, and location, and send real-time data back to your system? In this case, you could immediately spot problems, reroute trucks, and guarantee freshness. That's exactly the kind of problem IoT solves. So what is IoT? In simple words, the Internet of Things refers to a network of physical devices, like sensors, machines, vehicles, or appliances, that are connected to the Internet, and they also exchange data automatically. These devices talk to each other and to central systems, creating a smart ecosystem. The concept of IoT began taking shape in the late 1990s, and by early 2000s, businesses started adopting it seriously, especially with the rise of affordable sensors, wireless networks, and cloud computing solutions. There are different types of IoT applications. First type is consumer IoT, which includes devices like smartwatches, home assistants, and smart appliances. Our next type is industrial IoT, which focuses on devices set up in manufacturing plants, warehouses, and logistics operations. And another important type is commercial IoT, which are used in healthcare, retail, and transport services. Each of these brings efficiency, automation, and data-driven decisions. Now let's make this very simple with an example of how IoT works step by step. First, a sensor is placed on a device, for an example, inside a refrigerated truck. Second, the sensor collects data, such as the exact temperature inside the container. Third, this data is transmitted via the internet to a central platform or cloud system. Fourth, the platform processes this data and shows insights, like whether the temperature is safe or not. And finally, based on that insight, the system or person takes action, like alerting the driver or adjusting the cooling automatically. Hopefully that makes sense. It's all about sensing, sending, analyzing, and acting.